It's Yvonne here from Comfort Zone, and I'm going to pack 2 orders that I'm sending out today. So this order is going out to Donna in California. So I just got to get my paper ready. I usually have 2 smaller boxes, but this order was not going to fit in that small box, so we had to make another box. So Donna found us through the post by Shonda Rhimes, and Donna's got a lemongrass grapefruit body butter. She's got 2 Ivan bars. We're going to play a little Tetris here. She's got a lavender lotion. That's going to have to go down. We've got a Miami Beach and unscented sea moss. Got 2 Joys. We've got 2 unscented sea moss. And we've got a Miami Beach. I have to get that in there. Okay. I'm going to get a lavender lotion bar. Well, not a bar, but lavender lotion. And how are we going to do this? And we've got a lavender lotion stick and a Miami Beach lotion stick. Tetris. And gonna give her some free samples of the soaps that she didn't order, but maybe she'll order in the future. And we've got to get another lotion stick in here. How are we gonna do? All right. Her packing slip. I like to make sure, like, when you get your order, it's a nice little gift. Of course, I don't have any. So I found it cheaper to use my embosser on these labels that I get from Amazon. I got this embosser on Etsy. Our 2 cards. So we got our Comfort Zone card and our Comfort Zone merch card. And we're ready to close it up. So I just want to say thanks for joining me today. We boxed up some soaps and we also packed 2 orders. So if you enjoyed the video, just give me a thumbs up, and also any comments, anything, you can drop it in the box below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.